Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my own opinion and review of the new iOS 14.5. Should you update, should you not update, and what's the main feature? So stay tuned guys, I'll try to keep it short so that you guys understand in a short period of time. So yeah. So as you can see on my phone screen, this is the Face ID and passcode. The new feature is right here, unlock with Apple Watch. iPhone can use your Apple Watch to unlock when Face ID detects a face with a mask. So basically, you need an Apple Watch to use this feature. So I've turned it on and I've tested it. And I'm gonna show you guys what is the unsafe issues with it. Basically, I've just updated to the latest iOS 14.5 beta 1 yesterday. And since then, I've been testing it out and I found out some really unsafe and weird issues with the Mask ID. If you guys don't know what is Mask ID, it's basically a Face ID, but you can unlock it with your mask. It's on the new update 14.5. So I've tested it out and I found out some things that is unsafe, and I'll show you guys. Guys, before I continue with the Mask ID, I would like to thank This Express for sending me this. It's basically a case, a Rhino Shield case. I'm wearing it right now, as you can see. It's a cool case. And so, if you guys don't know what is This Express is one of the biggest mobile phone and accessories distributor in Malaysia. So this is what they sent me again. Let's take a look at it. So it's actually a Rhino Shield case, as you can see. So look at this, guys. Actually, they are selling many of cases, branded cases, AirPods cases, and even other models phone cases such as iPhone 7 or X. They're selling a lot of phone models and a lot of brands to choose from. So you guys can check it out. I'll put everything in the description down below. And if you guys are interested in purchasing a case or something from them, you can use my promo code, which is right here. Just type in my name, Nicholas, and you'll get a 5% discount from the things that you buy. So yeah, do check it out, and let's continue. Now, for the moment of truth, the Mask ID demonstration. I'll be showing you guys now. First, let me put on my mask. Now the mask is fully covered on my face, and my Apple Watch is right here. It's connected to the phone, and my phone is locked, as you can see. I'm gonna put the watch right here so you guys can hear a sound when the phone unlocks, because it's not on silent mode, so you guys can hear the sound. I'll put it right here. Phone is locked. Now it's unlocked. So the Mask ID really works. It's not a lie, it's not a scam. It really works. I'm gonna do it again for you guys. The watch is right here. The phone is locked, as you can see. It's locked. Now I'm gonna swipe up again. Now it's unlocked, guys. So now you believe that the Mask ID really works. So now I'm going to try without my glasses. So I'm just going to close my eyes. Watch is right there. I'm just gonna close my eyes. Oh, I cannot. I'm just gonna close. No, I'm just gonna close my eyes. Like, as you can hear that the phone is unlocked. I'm gonna do it again, closing my eyes and scan. Guys, the phone is locked again. Look at this. The phone is locked. I'm not lying to you guys, and I'm gonna close my eyes. Now the phone is unlocked. I'm gonna do it again. The phone is unlocked again. So the unsafe things is, for example, guys, as I was saying, when you're sleeping, someone can just steal your phone easily without you knowing. So for example, I'm sleeping right now with my Apple Watch. The phone is locked. is locked and I'm sleeping with my glasses on and without a mask. So let's say someone just come to me and close my face like that, just cover my face like that. It's still locked, and look at this. The phone unlocked. So that's the thing that I'm afraid of. I mean, I'm scared that many users will, many phones will get stolen by this way. Just look at this, guys. I'm gonna show you guys with this angle so you guys can see. The phone is locked, guys. Now I'm gonna show you guys. So I can cover my face and unlock the phone without a mask, so even if my eyes are closed. So I'm gonna show you guys again with my eyes closed and my glasses on. So yeah, so you know how unsafe it is. And also guys, there's one more thing. For example, I'm wearing a mask and someone just stole a phone from my pocket and just come near to me from the side like that. It can unlock my phone too. Look at that, guys. It can unlock from even here without me looking there. So I guess now you know how unsafe it is. I'm gonna show you guys again. From this angle, this is the phone facing here, guys. It's not even facing to my face, it's facing there. The sound. So yeah, even from the side. Now let's try it from this side. I haven't tried it from this side yet. The phone is locked. From this side is harder, I think. Let's try it. Oh, it can unlock too, guys. It's the same from both sides. It's just a bit harder, but it's possible. So basically, in my opinion, I think that the new feature in iOS 14.5 is unsafe and insecure for this specific feature only, because I've just found out this feature which is unsafe. If you have any more unsafe feature or anything else, you guys can comment down below. I'll read the comments and I'll definitely check it out and do a video about it if it's really important. I hope this video can reach many people so that people will know before they use this feature. I hope this video can keep you guys aware about this feature and the unsafeness. I don't know if that's a word, but yeah, the safetyness, the safeness of this, secureness of this feature. So yeah, guys, please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll update you guys if there's any more issues or anything, guys. Just comment down below if you need more videos or suggest me what videos to do next. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.